Hello everyone, and welcome back to MMO Crypto. Today, we're diving into an intriguing project called SUI, a coin that's been making waves in the crypto community with over a 300% gain since August. SUI's impact on the market has caught the attention of many investors. As expected, whenever a new coin makes a splash, people start asking if it could be the next Ethereum, or even the next Solana. For SUI, the comparison is none other than with Solana. Some are even calling this SUI's golden run, believing it might emulate Solana's powerful growth cycle. But the question here is this comparison really fair? Does SUI actually have the potential to become a new Solana on the market? To find out, let's look back at the factors that drove Solana to success in the previous cycle. Solana launched in March 2020, right before Bitcoin's halving, and quickly became one of the leading Layer 1 blockchains. Solana's success boiled down to a few key factors: cutting-edge technology, a solid team, early investor support, and an efficient ecosystem development. This allowed Solana to soar from a market cap of $40 million to an incredible $78 billion in just one cycle. So, does SUI have similar elements that might lead it to success like Solana? In terms of technology, SUI stands out. Developed by Myston Labs, SUI is a next-generation Layer 1 blockchain focused on solving scalability issues faced by previous blockchains. What makes SUI unique is its approach to parallel transaction processing, allowing it to handle multiple transactions simultaneously, thereby increasing speed and scalability. Looking at Solana, its adaptable design allowed it to support almost any application, from meme coins to DeFi, which helped Solana tap into major trends. Similarly, SUI's scalable and fast infrastructure gives it flexibility to support a wide range of applications. However, to truly break out, SUI needs to find a niche that can push it forward. When it comes to the team, both Solana and SUI have strong foundations. Solana's founders, Anatoly Yakovenko and Raj Gokal, brought a powerful mix of technical and business expertise. Similarly, the team behind SUI consists of former Meta engineers with deep knowledge of programming and distributed systems. They quickly launched SUI's mainnet in just 2 years, and they've made significant improvements since then. In terms of funding and early support, Solana had a major advantage with backing from FTX. FTX not only provided financial support but also developed projects on the Solana platform, which gave it a massive boost. SUI, however, hasn't had a standout backer like FTX, but it still managed to raise nearly $400 million during a bear market, a remarkable achievement given tough market conditions. Both Solana and SUI have invested heavily in their ecosystems. Solana has hosted numerous hackathons and provided significant funding to blockchain gaming and Web3 projects. Likewise, SUI has organized hackathons and recently announced a $50 million fund to support projects and accelerate ecosystem growth. But here's the thing: SUI is navigating a very different environment compared to when Solana launched. When Solana entered the scene, Ethereum was bogged down by high fees and slow speeds, giving any Layer 1 blockchain that could solve these issues a big advantage. Solana stood out with its usability and user-friendly wallet options like Phantom. SUI, on the other hand, faces competition from various platforms that already have strong wallets and tools. While SUI is innovating with features like Face ID and wallet management, the pressure from other platforms is significant. So, is SUI the next Solana? After considering all the factors, my take is that the comparison might not be entirely fair. SUI is heading into a different market environment and may end up forging a unique path of its own. I believe SUI has a strong growth potential and could yield substantial returns for investors. But reaching Solana's level will be no small feat. Thank you for tuning in to MMO Crypto. If you found today's insights helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming content. Stay curious, keep learning, and as always, happy investing. See you in the next video.